Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to try DeepSeek R1 right now, locally and safely. First of all, you need to head over to this website called ollama.com and you will see a download button. Click on download. A new page will open. On this page, you can download Ollama for 3 different platforms. If you are using Mac OS, then you can download for it. If you're using Linux, you can also do it as well. But if you're using Windows, you can also download Ollama for Windows as well. So I'm using Windows right now, so I will click on Windows. As I have already downloaded Ollama on my computer, so as you can see, it is a 745 megabytes file. So once it's downloaded, you have to double click or open the file. It will open a setup page where you can install Ollama on your computer locally. Click on the install button and you have to wait for Ollama to complete installation for your PC. Once Ollama has been downloaded, you can also see the Ollama icon on the bottom tray of your PC, which also says that Ollama is running. Now then, what you have to do is press the Windows icon on your keyboard and you have to search for Ollama. Once you found this file, you have to right click this file, click on open file location. Your file explorer will open. You have to right click Ollama again and go to the file location. Now it will take you to this page. On this page, what you have to do is click on the search bar, which is on the top where you can see the path of this folder. You have to click on it and type CMD to open the command prompt and hit enter. Once the command prompt has been opened, what you have to do is simply type Ollama on command prompt, hit enter, and after typing that, if you see this interface, which means you have successfully installed Ollama and it is running on your PC locally and perfectly fine. Now let's move on towards the next step, which is downloading the R1 model. So we will head back to our browser. You will see the search models option on the search bar on the top of the website. You have to click on the search bar and search for DeepSeek R1. Click on DeepSeek R1 and this page will open, and from this page you will see a drop down menu. You have to click on the 7B to open the drop-down menu and you will see a list of different models of DeepSeek R1 which are available to download for you. As you can see, the lowest model is 1.5B, which is only 1.1 gigabytes, and all the way to the 671B, which is 404 gigabytes. And it's a huge model which has a lot of information. You can download any model as per your requirement. If you are a general user, then I will recommend you to download the 14B version, which is in the middle of both, which is not too small and also not too large. It all depends upon your usage. If you need it for a simple task, you need a lower model, but if you are using it for a high usage and if you need a lot of information, then higher the better. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will only download the lowest model, which is 1.5B, which is also not recommended. I will click on 1.5B and then you will see a code which is on the right side. You simply have to click on the copy icon to copy to your clipboard and then head back to the command prompt, and all you have to do is press Ctrl V on your keyboard, or you can simply right click and paste the code. Now we need to modify this code just a little bit. Instead of run, you have to remove the run command, and instead of run, you have to enter or type PULL, which stands for pull. If you ask me why I have changed this code, because run command is used to run the model. As we haven't downloaded any model on our computer, so which means run command will be of no use. So first of all, pull command will be used to download the model first, then we will use the run command later in this video. Hit enter and hopefully it will start downloading the model which we have just pasted. As you can see, our downloading has been started successfully. We will wait just a bit until it completes. Now our model has been successfully downloaded on our computer. Now it is time to run this model. So what we will do, we will head back to our web browser and copy the code again, and we will paste the code with the run command. Now this time we won't be using or we won't be changing the run command, and simply click on enter to paste your command. And after waiting for some time, as you can see, send a message is written, which means our R1 model is now running locally on our computer. Now let's test it out. I will ask it a question. Simply I will ask how to open a YouTube channel. And as you can see, it is giving me a very detailed, in-depth answer. And it is using R1 model. And if I open my task manager in front of you, as you can see, this is using my GPU, my graphics card for the usage, which is a good sign. And which also means that we are running the R1 model right now on our computer locally, which is utilizing our GPU. And that's simply how you can try DeepSeek R1 right now locally and safely. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.